Hey everybody, welcome to another video. We are out here on the KLX today. It's been a while since I've made just a city shenanigans video. So that is what we're going to do today. Explore around here a little bit. And of course have some fun. What it's all about. First things first, we got to fill up with gas though, because KLX is a hog. No, I'm just kidding. I've been to the trails a few times since the last video, so let's go ahead and fill up. Yes, good day at the pump. $2.50. Ah, sweet. Z06 Corvette. Hopefully get mine back soon, next week. Ended up being the drum, 3 to 4 drum in the transmission that I guess went out. Yes. Fun, fun, fun. Alright, so what else is going on? Well, let's see. Oh, you guys see the new 2021 CRF 450R. That thing looks pretty sweet. New generation of 450s. Or on depending how brand loyal you are. And more exciting news, the Kawasaki 450 and 250XC. Finally, Kawasaki releasing an enduro model that uses the motocross engine, kickstand, electric start, skid plate. Although the new motocross models do have electric start now. I do have to say that thing does look pretty sweet though. Oh yeah, also the new Ford Bronco 2021. Gotta say that thing looks pretty sweet. And as a matter of fact, I put a deposit down on one because why not? $100 have a deposit on the Bronco. That would be pretty cool if I could get it to work. Of course, you guys know I'm looking for something to haul this here KLX around. Bronco would make a great pair as well. Off-road in the Bronco, off-road in the KLX. Figured I'd put my name down because, like I said, why not? And yeah, if I do get it to work, that'd be pretty sweet. Let's get into the fun stuff, shall we? Fun, fun, fun. Oh wow, they got the garbage cleaned up here. Nice. Before I did the port ahead and stuff, I was getting used to clutch ups with the KLX here. And of course, every time I get used to it, I do something else to the KLX where I basically have to start over. So again, I'm getting used to popping the clutch and rear brake. It's definitely easier to get the front wheel up, that's for sure. Forgot to tell you guys, I did put the other 3 stiffer clutch springs in here on the KLX. Just because I'd rather be safe with the clutch springs than sorry and have the clutch slip. Oh yes, I still got it, guys. There we go. I will say it's definitely a little bit easier. That hill, something about it always takes me by surprise. It's just a real fast incline. It always shoves the bars up in my face. So anyways, yeah, I got a deposit on the Bronco. I actually have a deposit on something else technically, but I can't really let you guys know what that is. Yeah, don't want to let any secrets out because, you know, I want to make sure it works out first, but I think it'd be pretty sweet if it does. Hopefully it does. I'd say I'd be pretty excited for it. Man, I swear, it never lets me go. Well, I guess if it doesn't let me go, we're going to have to wait our one light cycle. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be going on the next one. For the people who say that the KLX is too heavy, well, you can't even trigger a light with it, so there you have it. Better let me go, light. Ah, yes, thank you very much. Another officer. So, right there with those wheelies, I will say that, I said this last time, but now, it is really noticeable. When you do get the front wheel up in second gear, you can actually control it with the throttle. You don't have to get straight up to balance point in order to keep the wheel up. Frickin' Genesis. It's like a VQ. You hear those things from everywhere. Wow, that's a pretty nice truck. Nice wheels. Fuel wheels. Yeah, those are nice. Anyways, as I was saying, once you get the wheel up in second, you can actually use the throttle to get back to balance point. It's not if you don't make it to balance point, the wheel's coming down. You can actually throttle it up, which is kind of nice. I kind of prefer to learn that way. Better throttle control and not relying on the clutch as much. I can see you looking on your phone, man. Built to tow, as my friends like to say. Hey, Husqvarna 701 Enduro, whoa, with a car package on it. That's something you don't see on a Husqvarna very often. Okay, let's go have some fun, shall we? Starting to get a little bit more comfortable leaning the bike over in the corners off-road instead of leaning over with the bike. Kind of lean the bike over under you. Better tires would help, but all right, let's not overextend my welcome here. Say a lot better than the first time I came here, that's for sure. I say it all the time, every time I go off-road. If you haven't been off-road, or even if you have, I feel like riding off-road in the loose stuff is one of the best ways to improve your street skills and confidence. And it's also just fun to be able to rip around and lose some traction. Okay, trying to sneak around here. It's hard not to draw attention with this Barker exhaust. It's pretty loud. You can see that in the outside shots at the trails. It just echoes throughout the forest. If you guys missed that video, go ahead, check it out. up top here in the right hand corner of your screen. Super fun video, shredding some trails, and we have more of that coming. Got a few things I want to test out here with the KLX. I want to do some suspension adjustment, and then I also want to try and push my limits, get better at riding off-road. Main thing is continue to get better when I lose traction, leaning the bike over under me like so. I need better tires for sure. Whoa, that's a big dust cloud. Well, you better get going. I need some better tires to give me a little bit more bite in the loose stuff. These are okay when they're all new and stuff, but mine are definitely not. Starting to like these pops here going on the KLX. Alright guys, well, I think that is going to do it for today's video. Like I said, getting out, having some fun here in the city, making just, I don't know, I guess an OG video, messing around, having fun on the KLX. We have some off-road videos coming, and mind you, I am working on something. I just can't tell you what it is yet, so you guys are going to have to stay tuned for that. But it was a good day out on the KLX. Figured out that I still kind of got it for wheelies, either that or it's a lot easier to wheelie with the new mods. Had some fun shenanigans here in the city, hopping curbs, ripping berms is what we do, climbing hills, ripping roosters, all that good stuff. But if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the awesome action here. We have the KLX Corvette returning soon, hopefully. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucker greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition days don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I will not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walk around